Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Jasmine, and for today's video I have another Dollar Tree haul. You hear the baby in the background. I have another Dollar Tree haul for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy it. I found a lot of goodies that I cannot wait to share with you guys. I'm telling you guys, a Dollar Tree has been stepping up their game and I absolutely love it, especially for Christmas decor. Like, the decor is like off the chain this year and I'm loving it. Yes, and I am loving it, so I cannot wait to share with you guys what I picked up. So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the haul. Let's go. Okay, so let's start off with the first thing that I found that I fell in love with, which is this candy cane. I love this. Now, I only found one candy cane. I wish I had found another one. Hopefully, if I go to another Dollar Tree, I find it. But I love this. I cannot wait to put this somewhere in my house. Like I said, I'm gonna do red and gold, but I just love the candy cane. I thought it was so cute. I absolutely love it. And I just fell in love. As soon as I saw it, I was like, yes, let me get that. And then I have another bag here full of goodies. So I have more of these foam floral things. I got 3 of them. As I told you guys before, I am going to be doing a lot of DIYs for my Christmas decor, just because I feel like I don't want to spend $50 for a centerpiece when I can make a centerpiece for like $10 or less with Dollar Tree products. So that is what I'm going to be doing this year for all my Christmas centerpieces. And I got more of the poinsettias. Like, I love these. Can't wait to put them. Cannot wait to put them all over the tree. The baby wants to be up here. I got more of the poinsettias. Like, I'm loving these, and the fact that they're bringing them to Dollar Tree is amazing. Absolutely, I got more of the floral foam. This one is the dry version. And then I got more of these branches. I guess that's what they call these. I got about 4 of these because I'm also going to be doing something with them. So I got 4 of those. And then I also picked up this little tin that I'm going to create something with it. Hopefully I can find a good idea of what I'm going to do with it. And then I'm also going to have the snowman and the Merry Christmas hat. I thought it was so cute. And then let's see what else I picked up. So over here I have these little branches that I'm also going to put inside my tree. I found them in gold and I also found them in red. I couldn't believe, because I hauled them in my other video that I got them at home, and I found them at the dollar store for $1. Like, I can't believe that. So I went ahead and picked up these right here so I can create something with it. So the last bag that I have right here, and this is just random stuff that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. So I went ahead and picked up some more headbands. This floral one that I found for my daughter. And then these colorful ones because she loves headbands. So I went ahead and picked up some headbands for her. And then I found this unicorn one that I thought was so cute for her, since she's, like I said, she's obsessed. And then I also found these little butterfly decorations, and I want to decorate her room with butterflies in them, so I went ahead and picked them up, 2 different sets of colors. And then I also found some wet wipes, some disinfecting wipes. Now, you guys know this is very hard to find nowadays, so I picked up 2. One is in my car, and then I have this one here. And then the last 2 things that I have are from Flower Beauty, because they are bringing Flower Beauty to the Dollar Tree. So I went ahead and picked up this powder foundation. I can't wait to try it. It's in PP5. I'm not sure what color that is, but I tried to match myself as close as possible. And then I found this creme longwear lip cream, and this one is in the shade Sand Bar. It's so pretty. I can't wait to try it and let you guys know how it is. But yeah, that is it for my Dollar Tree haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye my loves. Mwah!